this one's how much?
Dancing Star. $39.99.
Oh, flying fish fuse, excellent. Flying fish. 16th inch fuse packed in with the composition. Ooh, blue, I like it. I like the lavender. This is a definite buy for this year.
Good one, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it won't be around next year. No, the color. Your light pink pastel.
Is that the dancing fish they're calling it?
That's what the stuff you see coming out and flying away. Flying fish, dancing fish. Excellent finale falcon. They have 3 of these on a ladder, different gears. That was beautiful. Over 2 minutes.